Presido Buhari with him family and friends don't join body do KABIR celebration for Abuja. Presido Muhammadu Buhari with him family members and presidential aides don't join body celebrate KABIR for State House Abuja today Friday 31st July 2020 when Muslims dey jollificate on top Salah. This one na the first time since him be president when him with him family go do Salah for Abuja. As na Daura wey be him hometown dem always dey do am. This one shows say Presido Buhari dey truly make efforts to stop the waka of this yamayama disease for we country. For the celebration wey dem do on top Salah, dem make sure say dem observe social distancing as the chief imam of the State House Masjid, Ustaz Abdulwahid Suleiman, dey lead Presido Buhari, Naija First Lady Aisha Buhari, their family members with some presidential aides in prayer. The chief imam talk say make dem submit to Allah, make dem still make sure say dem commit themselves to better sacrifice and service wey go bring ogbonge safety, security and prosperity for we country. As na only prayer we fit use take overcome all the bad things wey dey shele for we country, especially this yamayama coronavirus. Ustaz Suleiman can still pray make this feast of sacrifice wey dem dey celebrate dey peaceful, purposeful and supportive unto Presido Buhari administration wey don make Naija people life better. Presido Buhari wey come later do the symbolic ram slaughtering unto Prophet Muhammad Simna, come tell Naija people say make dem dey put we country for mind as in dey do, sake of say body no sweet am at all on top the gbege wey dey shele for northwest and north central.
Nigerians knows that we have done our best. We want security, prosperity, and well-being of all Nigerians. What is coming up in northwest and north central is very, very disturbing indeed. From the report I'm getting, I believe the military and the police and other law enforcement agencies could do much better. They could do much better, but we are keeping them on the alert all the time to do their duties. There has been abuse of trust by people trusted by the previous administration and this administration. A number of assets have been recovered and some money. And I said assets should be sold and the money be put in Treasury single account.
Onto the celebration wey dem dey do, Dr. Hajo Sani, wey be the senior special advisor to Presido Buhari on top administration matter, come talk say Naija First Lady Aisha Buhari dey send her greetings give Naija people, even as dem dey celebrate this KABIR for this year corona time wey we dey so.
First Lady of Nigeria, Dr. Mrs. Aisha Muhammad Buhari, is wishing all Nigerians a happy KABIR. She called on women particularly to take care of their family against this pandemic. And she prays that God Almighty will bring us to the end of this pandemic very soon so that we go back to normal life as usual.
She can still know the ogbonge things wey Naija First Lady don't do on top sexual violence matter.
She is also doing a lot in terms of rape, and on her own part, she has already been working to form the next presidential task force on gender-based violence.
Presido Buhari no receive any visitor for State House on top the Salah jollification, as he beg Naija people say make dem try to observe all the laws wey NCDC put for ground on top COVID-19, even as dem dey celebrate this KABIR. This na the ogbonge informate wey we bring come for una on top with tori for today, as Presido Buhari with him family and friends don't join body do KABIR celebration for Abuja. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Oiza Aburiogu.